Bad habits are like uninvited guests. They stick around and make your life messy. But what if I told you that breaking them isn't as hard as you think? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll share the ultimate formula to break any bad habit. Let's face it, we all have bad habits. Whether it's procrastinating, overeating, or spending too much time on social media, they drain our energy and hold us back. But here's the good news: breaking bad habits isn't about being perfect, it's about being smart. In this video, we're going to uncover the science of habits and the exact steps you need to break free and build a better life. First, understand how habits work. Psychologists call it the habit loop: trigger, routine, and reward. For example, trigger, you're bored in the evening. Routine, you grab a bag of chips. Reward, it feels good, and your brain says, do it again. Your brain creates a shortcut, making the habit automatic. But here's the key: if you can disrupt this loop, you can break the habit. Think of your habit as a chain reaction. The trigger is the first domino. Ask yourself, when does it happen? Where are you? What are you feeling? For example, if you overeat, is it stress or loneliness? Write down your triggers. Awareness is the first step to change. Your brain hates a vacuum. If you just stop a habit without replacing it, you'll feel restless. So, replace it with something positive. If you binge watch TV at night, replace it with a walk or a good book. If you check your phone every 5 minutes, keep it in another room and replace it with journaling or listening to music. Small changes add up. Here's a trick: make your bad habit as inconvenient as possible. For example, trying to stop eating junk food? Don't buy it in the first place. Want to use your phone less? Set a timer to lock apps after a certain time. The harder it is to do the habit, the easier it is to avoid it. Your brain loves rewards, so use that to your advantage. Every time you choose the better habit, celebrate it. Finished a workout instead of skipping it? Treat yourself to a smoothie. Avoided social media for an hour? Watch your favorite movie guilt-free. Rewards reinforce the behavior and make it stick. Here's the golden rule: don't try to change everything at once. Focus on one habit at a time. Start small. Even a 1% improvement every day adds up to huge changes over time. And remember, consistency beats intensity. It's better to take small steps every day than to go all out and give up. Breaking bad habits is all about strategy, not willpower. Understand your triggers, replace the routine, and reward yourself for small wins. Over time, these small changes will completely transform your life. Do you want more tips on building better habits and living your best life? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your bad habit breaking journey in the comments below. Let's grow together. You are not your bad habits. They're just behaviors you've repeated over time. The power to change them lies within you.